Thanks for clicking on our page. I want to show you what is in this case and how it's going to change your future. My name is Tim Young. I'm a maritime attorney. I've been practicing maritime law for more than 20 years. Our office has helped hundreds of offshore workers. Now, let me tell you what's in this case that we're going to send directly to you. First, you're going to get our Keystone book, Understanding Your Offshore Injury. This is the book that captains and offshore workers love and companies hate. For years, this book has educated offshore workers and vessel workers on their rights. This book is going to tell you all about, can the company run you off? It's going to tell you about how much is your case worth. It's going to tell you how the laws work and how your case would actually work if you have to go to court. This is a Keystone book that's going to teach you your basic rights, all of which the company currently knows. Next, we send you an audio CD of our book, Understanding Your Offshore Injury. That's in case you're driving in your car or you're working at work. You can listen to the book. It will be read to you so you can understand all the information that's important to your future. You also get our very important and very popular book, Coping with an Offshore Injury. If you're married or you have a significant other at home right now, it is one of the toughest times that they're going through even after your injury. What you're going through is hard enough, but what your wife or your significant other may be going through is very, very difficult also. Over the years, we've learned all about what wives go through after their husbands are hurt offshore. This book directly speaks to them, and it will help them deal with your offshore injury while you recover. Next, you're going to get Secrets to Maintenance and Cure Law. Right now, you're probably being paid maintenance and maybe some advances. If you want to know how can you increase that amount, this book is going to tell you how. This book is very important to helping you pay your bills every month. Next, you're going to get this book, From Tragedy to Triumph. This is stories of our actual clients and what they've been through. But we're not telling you this to help us. We're telling this to help you. You're going to hear stories about how people went back to work after their injury. You're going to hear people who had surgeries done successfully. They were happy with the results and they're back working offshore. You want to read about how other people have been through what you're going through and learn how they survived and even thrived afterwards. This book will tell you their personal stories and it's important to you. Look, I know that you're scared and you're worried about your future. You probably are worried about not trusting your company, and you probably don't want to trust any attorneys with your future. Over the years, we have literally helped hundreds of offshore workers, and they have always thanked us for giving them free information so they can make their own decision about what to do for their future. And it will help you make decisions that you have to make about your future.